Hey guys, welcome to WatchClickBuy. Explore enhanced ergonomic solutions with the top 5 laptop stands of 2024, curated for optimal comfort and productivity. From compact designs to sturdy support, these stands cater to various needs, making them essential accessories for modern workspaces. Elevate your laptop experience with these cutting-edge stands. If any of the products shown interest you, you will find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So, let's go find it out. 5. Urmust. Urmust compact stand is a perfect solution for maximizing space in your home office. Measuring just 28.5 centimeters long, it is one of the most compact stands available. The stand's adjustable feature, ranging from 0 to 90 degrees, caters to various workflows. Despite its slim aluminum design, it impressively supports up to 4 kilograms of weight, ensuring stability with the help of sturdy rubber grips. The thoughtful design prioritizes airflow, reducing the risk of laptop overheating. Compatible with devices ranging from 10 to 15.6 inches, including those from Apple, Asus, Dell, and Lenovo, this stand offers a versatile and efficient solution for creating an optimized workspace. 4. Mofy Sit Stand Laptop Desk. Mofy Sit Stand Desk is a marvel of on-the-go productivity, encapsulating the brand's commitment to innovation. Crafted from a mere 0.5-inch thick piece of PU leather and fiberglass, this stand excels in all 5 positions, catering to laptops of various sizes. Its versatility, allowing adjustments from a regular stand to angles of 25 degrees, 35 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees, might take a brief acclimatization, but an accessible tutorial simplifies the process. Stability, a primary concern, is reassuringly addressed by MOFT, asserting the stand's capability to support up to 22 pounds, 10 kilograms, with a secure feel. The color options, including blue, black, gray, and blue, add a touch of personalization. Despite its premium cost, the Z-Sit Stand Desk proves to be a worthwhile investment for many due to its exceptional functionality. 3. Nexan K2. The Nexan K2 laptop stand stands out with its exceptional versatility, offering 8 different height options to accommodate devices ranging from 10 to 17 inches. It's an ideal choice for those who frequently switch between laptops, and even ultra-thin devices can be supported with the included spacers. The stand is easy to lock in position using arc grips and is incredibly portable, weighing only 234 grams and folding down to a compact size. While made of plastic, nylon, it remains sturdy enough to support laptops up to 9 kilograms. Beyond its portability, the Nexan K2 excels in cooling benefits, making it a top choice for many users, despite the plastic construction. For those seeking an even more lightweight and premium option, the Nexstand K1 is recommended. 2. Logitech Casa. The Logitech Casa pop-up desk is a uniquely designed standing desk that combines an adjustable stand, keyboard, and mouse within the appearance of a regular notebook. The cohesive design not only looks sleek but also functions seamlessly, making it an excellent choice for those working from home without sufficient space for a full setup. The stand accommodates laptops ranging from 10 to 17 inches, offering versatility. While the compact keyboard and trackpad provide a comfortable experience without feeling cramped, the main drawback is its relatively high price. Additionally, at 1.2 kilograms, it may not be the most travel-friendly option. However, for those willing to invest, the Logitech Casa delivers a satisfying and stylish home office solution. 1. 12 South Curve. The 12 South Curve Flex stands out as an exemplary open laptop stand, elevating your device up to 22 inches and offering adjustable angles for optimal keyboard ergonomics, reaching up to 45 degrees. Its secure design includes anti-slip silicone pads and raised edges to ensure stability. Not only is it flexible and functional, but it's also portable, folding shut at a lightweight 28 ounces, 785 grams, and including a travel sleeve. Available in both cool white and black aluminum, its minimalist design seamlessly integrates into any setup. Compatible with laptops ranging from 11 to 17 inches, the Curve Flex provides flexibility without compromising on stability. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.